Welcome to day 2 of the Personal Finance Awards 2022-2023. Please welcome your host, Deborah Hinley, Business Development Manager of the Money Pages, and Kate Sains, Digital Editor. Deborah, over to you.
Good afternoon and welcome back to the third part of our awards presentation.
Yes, welcome again and thanks for joining us. Don't forget to interact with the awards. Head over to Twitter where you can comment using hashtag Personal Finance Awards.
Or you can sign in to our chat hub on the Money Pages website. Simply sign in, make a username and you can chat to the team and the shortlisted finalists.
This year we are not only celebrating the winners, highly commended and shortlisted businesses chosen by our readers. We are also marking the 25th year of our awards, which are based entirely on the nominations and votes of the discerning readers of the Money Pages.
The first Personal Finance Awards took place in 1997 when the world's best-selling pop artist was Celine Dion, and a whopping 9 Oscars had been awarded for the film The English Patient, and everyone was obsessed with Teletubbies.
And if you are suspending your disbelief at the idea of our fixation on 4 aliens dancing around a golf course, wait till you hear how much house prices were.
Yes, back in 1997, you were looking at a $58,000 for a typical property. That's a bit different to today's average of $296,000.
Interest rates, meanwhile, were much higher than today's 3%. In fact, they had reached 7.6% by mid-1997. But with house prices being so low, getting onto the property ladder was a lot less challenging than it is today.
All this leads on neatly to our next section, which is all about mortgages.
So much has been happening in the mortgage market lately. In fact, voting took place for these awards at about the time the infamous mini-budget sent the mortgage market into turmoil. We saw rates soaring and borrowers facing steep rises to their repayments.
It's been a worrying time for homeowners, but also highlighted the importance of having good advice and support. So, which businesses have braved the storm and come out victorious? Let's find out.
Our first category today and in the mortgage section is Best Variable Rate Mortgage Lender. Shortlisted in this category were Leek United Building Society, Barclays, Skipton Building Society and Beverley Building Society. Highly commended are Leek United Building Society and Barclays. Kate, over to you.
Well done to the winner in this section. It's Skipton Building Society.
The next category is Best Fixed Rate Mortgage Lender. And shortlisted in this category were Mortgage First, Skipton Building Society, HSBC, Halifax and Santander. Highly commended were Halifax and HSBC. But Deborah, over to you again.
They've done it again. It's Skipton Building Society.
Congratulations to you. Now we come to the Best Self-Build Mortgage Lender, and shortlisted in this category were Halifax, Loughborough Building Society, the Melton and Earl Shilton Building Society. Highly commended are Loughborough Building Society and the Melton. Kate, over to you for the winner.
And the winner is Earl Shilton Building Society.
We move on now to the next category, Best Second Mortgage Lender. Shortlisted in this category were Windsor Hill Mortgages, Skipton Building Society, United Trust Bank, Equifinance and the Beverley Building Society. Highly commended were Equifinance and the Beverley Building Society. But Deborah, over to you for a little bit more.
A second mortgage is a loan taken out against your home. Many people use second mortgages to complete home improvements or renovations. Getting the right product is vital for homeowners, so we're very pleased to have so many nominations in this category, and we can now reveal the winner of the award is United Trust Bank.
Next up, we have the award for the Best First-Time Buyer Mortgage Provider. And shortlisted in this category were Family Building Society, Skipton Building Society, Nationwide, Visionary Finance and Belle Maison. Highly commended were Family Building Society and the Skipton Building Society. Kate, over to you.
Taking that first step on the property ladder is a pretty big deal, so getting it right when it comes to first-time buyer mortgages is so important. This award recognises businesses which consider the unique needs of those taking out a mortgage for the first time and support them through the process. So we are delighted to announce the winner in this category is Belle Maison.
Now it's time to announce the winner in the Best Second Mortgage Broker. Shortlisted in this category were Nationwide, Master Private Finance, The Loans Engine, Loans Warehouse and Daniel Burdett. Highly commended were Master Private Finance and The Loans Engine. Deborah, over to you.
We were inundated with votes for this category. It was a popular one with our readers. There was some tough competition, but who has won the award for the Best Second Mortgage Broker? And it was Loans Warehouse.
Congratulations, Loans Warehouse. Now let's find out who has won the award for Best Mortgage Broker Customer Service. Shortlisted in this category were L&C, The Mortgage Hut, Mortgages for Business, Belle Maison and Windsor Hill Mortgages. Highly commended were L&C and Belle Maison. But Kate, could you please reveal the winner?
There was some strong competition for this one, but we can announce the winner is Mortgages for Business.
Next up, it's Best Mortgage Broker up to 39 advisors. Shortlisted in this category were Chartwell, Mortgages for Business, Alexander Hall, The Loans Engine and WIS Mortgages and Insurance. Highly commended were Mortgages for Business and WIS Mortgages and Insurance. Deborah, over to you.
In these times of rising interest rates, brokers are coming into their own. They are there to answer your questions and concerns. They take the load off your shoulders by finding a mortgage to suit your individual circumstances. So, who's got your vote for the best broker in this category? It's Alexander Hall.
Well done, Alexander Hall. Now we have the award for Best Mortgage Broker, 40 advisors and over. Shortlisted in this category were Just Mortgages, L&C, The Mortgage Bubble, Trussell and SPF Private Clients. Highly commended are Just Mortgages and The Mortgage Bubble. Kate, over to you.
As Deborah mentioned in the last category, brokers play a vital role in supporting you through the mortgage process. This particular category awards the bigger broker firms with a larger number of advisors. So, who's the winner? We're pleased to announce it is L&C.
This award is for Best Remortgage Lender, and shortlisted in this category were Skipton Building Society, Hoxton Capital Management, Barclays, Halifax and Coventry Building Society. Highly commended were Barclays and Coventry Building Society. But over to Deborah to reveal the winner.
And the winner is Halifax.
Let's announce the next award. It's for Best Specialist Lender, and shortlisted in this category were Hoxton Capital Management, The Mortgage Lender, Skipton Building Society, United Trust Bank and Pepper Money. Highly commended were United Trust Bank and The Mortgage Lender. But Kate, could you please reveal the winner?
We certainly can, and we can now announce the winner of the Best Specialist Lender is Pepper Money.
Now it's time for the Best Buy-to-Let Mortgage Lender, and shortlisted in this category were Leek United Building Society, Landbay, Skipton Building Society, BM Intermediaries and the Buy-to-Let Broker. Highly commended in this category were BM Intermediaries and Leek United Building Society. Deborah, over to you.
The public have voted for both brokers and lenders in this category, but the ultimate winner was a lender. In fact, they're a firm favourite with our readers. Having won this award many times before, it's Landbay.
Well, congratulations, Landbay. Now we come to our final category in this section of the Personal Finance Awards. It's the Best Overall Mortgage Lender. Shortlisted in this category were Skipton Building Society, Barclays, The Mortgage Hut and Halifax. Highly commended were Halifax and Barclays. Kate can tell us a little bit more.
This business has had an exceptional year at the Personal Finance Awards. They've already picked up 2 awards and been highly commended in several categories. The overall mortgage lender, as crowned by the Money Pages readers, is Skipton Building Society.
Well done, Skipton, and congratulations to all the winners in this category.
And well done to all those highly commended and shortlisted. You've all done tremendously well to have been endorsed by our readers.
Thanks to everyone who voted and also all of you who have tuned in to watch this presentation.
Remember, we have one more section to go. At 3 p.m. today, we will be announcing the winners in the Savings, Banking and Investments presentation.
And you can also find out who has picked up the most coveted award for the best overall personal finance provider.
See you right here at 3 p.m.